Hi there, my name is Michael Landu and I would like to welcome you to iMarketer Training. Today we will learn how to go viral with your product or service on social. We've all encountered one type of viral marketing or another. Remember that YouTube video that all of your friends shared, or perhaps a photograph on Facebook? Many marketers dream their message go viral, but at the same time, they are stuck believing that viral hits are just a good luck and nothing more. However, in our viral marketing course today, we will show you that virality is not about luck. There is a science behind it and some proven formulas. In this course, we will also introduce you to hot platforms on social that you've probably heard about but haven't started using. Then we will complete the course introducing you to monitoring, listening, and broadcasting tools. Remember, virality is about knowing your audience, understanding what your audience will share and why, and then delivering that type of content to them at the time they are most likely to interact with it. With the tools and platforms introduced in this course, you can set yourself up for success and get your message viral. I would be more than happy to see you as our students and see you on the other side.